Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using these wooden crates and wood pieces from Dollar Tree. I start by wood gluing and hot gluing the 3 crates together end to end. Next, I am taking tumbling tower blocks and these wooden cubes and gluing them together. I glue the wooden cube to the bottom of the tumbling block and then glue a tumbling block on the other end. I make 6 sets of those. Next, I'm taking these 18-inch pieces of wood from Dollar Tree, marking about 1.5 inches up from the bottom, making a line across that. And then from that 1.5-inch line, I mark up 5 inches, and then another 5 inches, and another 5 inches from that one. I make lines across those markings. I then hot glue those tumbling tower blocks and cube sets. The bottom of those will go along those lines, the 5-inch markings that I had made. I do that on both of those pieces of 18-inch wood. I then add the wood glue and hot glue to the side of the crate. I don't go all the way to the bottom with these. They're up just a little bit. For extra stability, once that glue is on there, I add a couple of staples inside the crate onto the wood. I do the same process on the other side. And then I'm adding hot glue to the tops of those pieces of wood and adding this third piece of 18-inch wood from Dollar Tree. Next, I'm taking 2 of these 36-inch dowels that I got from Michael's, and I'm marking where I need to cut them. And I'm just using some miter shears to cut those down. And then to fill it in, I just remove the dowel, add on the spools of ribbon. And then on the bottom in the crates, I just put some loose ribbon that doesn't have those spools. And then you can easily pull off some of the ribbon you need and roll it back up while it's on there. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.